Like a Hellcat. Hellcat.
There we go. Ah, there we go. Hello. Sorry, I sort of have. Hang on. Let's turn my gain up. There we go. No, that doesn't work. I sort of have a noise gate on my microphone, and for some reason it's now quieter. So I'm gonna quickly check my settings because I think Windows has reset it. Ah, yeah, it has. 100%? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so yeah, Windows. I did a major Windows update from 19 to 20 because I didn't know that I need to manually update because I for some reason disabled automatic. Yeah. So I did a major update, so lots of things went to default, such as my audio settings went to the default, which is really annoying when you make everything, when you customize everything. So yes, hello. I'm probably gonna should I put it to capture? There's nothing literally. Oh, you get to see OBS. Yeah, I should have probably changed this to the right monitor. This one. I'm just gonna leave it black for now. I'm gonna go back to this and just take away the text. There we go. So yeah, I've literally been, messing around with random stuff, and also I've been very unproductive, such as everyone in 2021, but in 2020, mainly because I'm a lazy shit. But yeah. So this, what I call this, getting things done. We're actually gonna talk about getting things done, or actually get things done. Bit misleading, but oh well. What am I actually put as the description? I'm gonna get some things done and do some housekeeping. Let's just quickly change that to talk about. There we go. There we go. I changed the description now, so it's fixed. Right. Actually, I am gonna go into capture because I'm gonna bring up stuff on my screen as I start talking about them. Oh great, I clicked the wrong button. Yeah. So, what should we talk about first? I was gonna make some notes. What is MT Social? It's literally just social media management and stuff. It's also the domain I sort of take for that I sort of used for lots of random things. What do you call it? If you go to the link to my website, then you can literally just take away the Rhys Tedstone, and you'll get it there. What do you call it? Yeah. Right, Abyssal Void, specifically actually getting things done there, because guess what? Who's not done that much on there? Moi. Actually, to be honest, everyone's been a bit unproductive lately, everyone in the world. It's a bit hard to do things when you just can't see anyone, but literally, so I've been developing the particle plugin, the utilities plugin. I'm going to be doing kit PvP and dissonance. What else have I done? Voting was very easy because I just stole someone else's code. Well, I say that, I stole the code they provide. So is that stealing? Or is it taking? Borrowing, there we go. There is some of my code in there, obviously, because you have to sort of piece it together. But anyway, so yeah, there's lots of plugins which I am the one who coded, and I'm not a Java developer. I'm a Python and HTML developer, not Java. So when I started coding Java, which is literally like last year, like I've been coding Java for just over a year. Yeah. So when I've been coding Java, I don't do things properly. I get frustrated when they don't work like Python, which isn't the best when people rely on them. Why am I turning on Minecraft? Because I have to show you an example of something that keeps breaking, which I need to fix, and I don't know why it's broken. Because I'm not a Java developer. Sorry, I got that stuck in my head now. I have the thing set to monitoring that music so I can always hear it. Hang on, I'm gonna quickly turn my shaders off. It's a bad idea to use shaders in streaming. I learnt that the hard way. I need to put that link in the thing now, bdcraft.net. It's literally part of the licensing. If you use it in a video or a live stream, you have to put it in the description. Yeah, this is. I just clicked M. Ah, fuck! Hub. Okay. I didn't. Okay. Anyway, we're going to mini games. So yeah. offline. That's not mine. Those two are offline. They were going to come in November, but guess who doesn't do coding well enough to do that timescale? Moi. The only thing I did on this was actually just create the project file and maybe the GitHub. That was it. Nothing else. That's all Tom's code, which works, and actually, works. Parkour. This is it. Yeah, parkour. So, wait, what? Okay. Sorry, they weren't working yesterday for me. Yeah, look, this minigame sometimes breaks. If it breaks, please do PK. Why did I choose black? I should have just chose white. It's really hard to see. Please do PK leave and contact me on Discord immediately. Why? Because this happens. Yeah. It's because, for some reason, the actual start and end point, they actually, for some reason, just don't, or they save. I see they save properly, but they get overwritten. But they only get overwritten if the server restarts, which it does automatically. So, I don't know why. None of my other plugins do that. It's just weird. So, yeah. This is literally the old hub as a parkour map, because I think it's, I've never completed it myself. I don't know anyone who's completed it before, like themselves. So this is a checkpoint version and also a, what's the word I'm looking for? You can also do hardcore mode, which basically makes it as if you were playing it for the first time. Well, when it was original. Like, I say there's nothing changed. When we moved from NPCs, I added these teleport things, so it made the teleporting less, well, a bit more obvious that something happens instead of just being nothing. But yeah, I also put these signs. I'm literally gonna quickly fix this. It's gonna break immediately afterwards, but oh well. Oh yeah, and also my really weird editing, like, syntax. But people don't need to use that, so yeah. I'm probably just gonna... I don't know. So, those tunnels are not a part of this mod. But yeah, this plugin, it breaks every single time we restart. I don't know why. And it's just something I keep putting off. Same with utilities. Utilities did the group-based warping, which is something that mostly staff used anyway. But, like, it breaks because I don't actually know. So I'm literally just rewriting it because all my code is terrible. So yeah, getting things done. Talking about getting things done, I literally need to create a to-do list, which, we used to still have. Actually, do we still have the... Am I supposed to be showing you this? No. But this is literally... The old hub is still here. And it still has everything the same as if it was still a hub. Which is why the server hub thing came up. Oh, look who's here. So yeah, this literally... Remember Refocus? Yeah, that was October. Yeah, so old world download. I probably will do that still. I need to just upload it to the website. I think it might be on the website. I just need to give people a link. Ah, look, Rhys's Kit PvP and Rhys's Among Us thing. Weird. And those are stuff I know ways to do that. Wow. Why are you talking about World of Warcraft? Jesus Christ, my humor just like bores myself these days. Oh, what? I can't tell if this is the... No, it's not. Wait, where is he? Is he flying? I think it's... Is he flying? Are you on spectator? Yes, he is. I can literally just see his username floating around. Yeah, this is literally the old... Actually, I can show you the old hub. Oh, I'll say the old hub. It's not the old hub, I deleted that. Well, it's actually in the old plot world, but I've lost it in the old plot world, so it's just there, but I don't know where. So yeah, this is where the actual hub was designed by our head builder, or as he wanted the role to be called, master builder, which I think is quite fun. So yeah, this is literally his little, like, template for what he wants it to look like, which he managed. Well, obviously the parkour is longer than that, but yeah, look at this. This is everything where the NPCs used to go, and actually these say NPCs. We removed the NPCs because the actual plugin went It used to be free and open source, but then it went paid, but open source. Like, we could build it ourselves, but to be honest, we only used them for this, and it just seemed a bit like, I saw players not knowing how to use them, so I made them teleporters instead. And they did have, I think they had holograms, I don't remember if I put holograms. But yeah, originally, this is when unstable wasn't a thing, so there's nothing by here, just a tree. Parkour doesn't have its little pathway, it's just cut off. And yeah, there's lights going to every single one of these. So yeah, this is literally the original design, and the house is exact the same. I keep thinking it isn't, and then I keep remembering that's the old have the like snow globe, because we did start the server in December 2019, so it was Christmas immediately. I can just see, I love how you just following me around, I can literally just see you. I keep saying literally too much. This is my attempt at going from black and white to red, and yeah, it looks terrible, but I've kept it anyway for, you know, to stay original. You did it, you did it, you did it. The parkour in the original hub, it was super easy. So I'm glad this parkour was so much longer and so much harder. Like, I find myself failing at this checkpoint the most. I fail this jump, and this jump, and this jump. Once I get up here, it's fine, but yeah. Anyway. What was I talking about again? Oh yeah, getting stuff done, and not procrastinating and talking about the parkour. Yeah, that went well, didn't it? So yeah, I've sort of got like 4 or 5 things that I'm currently like dealing with. I say dealing with, that sounds like someone's died. No one's died for me. Actually, someone... anyway, 4 or 5 things that I'm juggling. There we go. I don't like the word juggling because it sounds like they're all super important, but they're not. Like college, the server. Where else was it? My YouTube channel. Oh wait, I forgot. This is literally on that channel. Yeah, this. Other things include. Is it 5? I guess 5 would be my free time. Anyway, so I'm really bad at like doing things because I find YouTube is so distracting. Like, if you want to get anything done, don't watch YouTube videos, because like if it takes up at least a screen to watch it, like watch them in like just the audio, and put them in the background, put them on a different desktop. But like I find if I watch a YouTube video, I just sit there and watch it instead of actually doing anything. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. This was ages ago. Right, we were gonna have like player shops as plots, but the plots sort of broke as we had 2 plot worlds, which shouldn't happen, but it did happen. So this was sort of gonna be like a prototype of what the plots would look like for player shops and an example shop. So was it claimed shops? I think claimed shops. I don't remember if we had a difference. Like if I go to the plot world itself, I purposely made it so that the border just disappears when it's claimed, so everything, so you can, you know, because I found myself when I was playing plot servers, I found myself a lot of times wanting to have a pathway coming straight from the road, and if you have a slab of something that means it's claimed, like this is the most the pathway can go, and then it gets broken up, or you can like go off the border, but it just looks a bit like it's just the border again. So I've wanted this, which I like, because you can do things like this. Now obviously, yeah, texturing doesn't exactly flow into it, but yeah. Actually, it does work quite well, this, because it sort of breaks off everywhere. Oh, I don't know why I did this. I literally made it so that it tries to transition as well as possible. I have no idea. That took me like half an hour to do, and I don't know why. Let's look at Yukis. Also, alright, what we've had people coming on the server and trying to break things, literally. Like, you can see this person was trying to see how far they could go to the edge. That's all. Actually, no, they did have a TNT machine trying to push TNT into the road. So yeah, another one. People just doing random breaking. Actually, whose is this? This is owned by Oh, alright, it took me ages to see that. Android web and... Honestly, I literally, when I see these, I just do this. Because, like, you know, it's obvious that they aren't doing anything with this plot, and I think we do have plot purge in, which basically after, like, 30 days, I think, if you haven't been on, it deletes your plot, or something like that. No, wait, we turned that off because we do have some of our staff members literally just, like, don't play for, like, a month, so it's like, I don't exactly expect anyone to do that much, to be honest. Oh, he disconnected. Also, I need to get, I need to get the, don't need to rank up, because, currently we're running on our own hardware. I'd like to not do that, because we can usually, if we're able to pass off all the, because, when you host a server from someone, you have the actual server part, and that's about it. You might have a few random bits, but you just have, like, mainly the files that you actually manage, and stop and start. With us, we have the entire machine, which means everything which needs something that's outside of the actual server has to be fixed. Hey, look, I was just talking about you. I've only just looked over the shack, so you could literally have just gone, oh, 3 concurrent viewers, hello. I have an idea of who those 3 are, but I'm not going to say it because, no. Yeah, I'm right, I actually use the plots. The plots are really useful for testing things without having to go into a separate testing world. Like, I have a separate testing world because we can't allow mobs onto plots. But yeah. What the hell is this? Is this just... wait, isn't it like... Yeah. I don't know why I made this. At all. But yeah, I need to... This is my new mob farm. I need to, like, actually build it. It's just a lot better. Oh, I thought I gave myself night vision when I was in spectator, but apparently it's gone. I shouldn't have. Why am I showing you this? What was this about again? Oh yeah, getting things done. That went well. Knights is here. Oh, hello. Okay, so it wasn't who I thought. There's a lot. Right, what else is it? Utilities. What do the utilities actually do that players see now? Because warps, I have had to fall back on warps to essentials. Oh, hang on a sec. Right, someone's putting their phone on silent. I may as well not. That's literally the only phone call I'll get all day. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, utilities. Warps. Why is that's working? That shouldn't be working. Oh right, yeah. I forgot. If I actually do warp and then yeah. There we go. 2 plugins are active at once, which shouldn't have. Huh? What the? Right, that's the problem for me. I randomly tab out for some reason. I think, oh, might have pressed Alt. Is this like a parkour? I want to try it. Wait, do I have an elytra on? I need to get rid of it. There we go. do. Oh. Dude, where is it? Right, I couldn't do parkour yesterday either. Like, I made an entire friggin' like parkour plugin and I can't do it myself. It's a good thing we have checkpoints. Right, I'm going to adventure mode. I don't know why adventure specifically, but well. This world isn't designed for adventure, it's designed for creative people. But I'm usually stuck in... I usually have the command permission which overrules. Oh, friggin' hell. Guess what? I gotta quickly... Right. I'm literally gonna be gone for 30 seconds, so I'm gonna quickly complete this parkour. There we go. Right, I'm literally gonna be gone for 30 seconds. You can count down if you want to. Jesus Christ. Next I'll be getting from a phone call. Did you actually count down? Oh, I should probably tell you there's a delay. So, I actually wait. I guess if there's a delay and it's consistent, then it shouldn't matter. What's this? Oh yes, the computer. Right. Do I have the test world on here for Kit PvP? Because that's something. Right, that's actually something I want to quickly announce. I'm gonna probably start doing like development logs for the actual Kit PvP. I've forgotten what it's called. Yeah, I usually start my maps. I usually start my mini games and stuff by designing the map. I say that, but like I end up going onto my test server. I literally have a test server for the. Right, there we go. So this is oh, hello. So this is going to be the one of the Kit PvP maps. So basically, think of it as the world border is going to work sort of like Fortnite Storm, but it's not going to be randomized location. It's going to go to the central location. So on the very edges is going to be like weapons and stuff. Then it's going to shrink down. It's basically last man standing, and there's going to be like different classes. That's it. I didn't want to call it Kit PvP because, well, we sort of changed the names of things so they're not all samey. Like, well, I say that a lot of our things aren't just strictly like a thing. They can be based off it, but they aren't strictly like a single like rip-off. Hyperstick, that came from, right, we used to have a world for testing things, like redstone and stuff, and I was the only one who used it. I barely used it, and we just started using the build world, so I deleted that world. Actually, did I? Yes. So, basically, we had a stick, and it was enchanted to knock back 3,260. That doesn't sound right. Ice stick, what's the max I can enchant this? 32,600. Okay, that's how much it was. So it's this stick here. If I hit a sheep with this, the server will crash, so I'm going to quickly delete it. Yes, we've crashed server many times from hitting sheep. Sheep specifically. One of the testing worlds used to have animals enabled. Yeah, we quickly got rid of those because of lag. Yeah, so literally, it came from that and us hitting each other around. Currently, today, we use level 3. Yeah, a lot different. Not about level 3. I'm just going to quickly join the game Hyperstick. Why not? Oh no, it's this map. It's too big. I'm going to quickly join a new map. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Secret trick of the day. If you don't like the map, you can quickly change it before anyone else joins. But if someone joins and then you try and join again, you'll join a new map and not be in that game. It's sort of how it works, but like, I don't know. I don't remember if it's intended. This game was made almost a year ago, so I'm just going to quickly invite him. Did I? Alright, yeah. See, that's something I need to work on my plugins as well. There's like feedback from the commands. So yeah, so I'm going to start doing devlogs for Kit PvP because I sort of want to develop it and like give people updates so I have something to... Okay. I sort of want to have some sort of like more motivation, like, you know, each week basically give an update. Like a teacher checking on if a student actually done their work or not. Which none of my teachers did to me, which is why most of my subjects I did was lacking in work. Yeah. Actually, I say was, more of an is. Actually, that's for different reasons. Mainly because of me not being able to attend a friggin' performing arts course during COVID. Which helps, doesn't it? I'm literally just... I don't remember if I'm chasing or running away. I think I'm doing both. Or am I just... I think I'm just doing the parkour for no sake. And no, I didn't fall. I fell to the bottom. Anyway, yeah. So then be able to like have Kit PvP basically like constantly like progress updates and stuff. And yeah, I guess there's some publicity. I can't speak. Publicity to the server because I don't do enough videos on either the server or just in general. So why not? And I've never done a devlog, so I want to try and do it. Aha. Why did you corner yourself? Oh, right, you're doing that. Well, here's the thing. Player collision. Yeah. Now, the problem with... If there's more than one person in the map and you're crouching, you won't be able to hit people. Like, if you crouch in a corner, you won't be... Oh, he's up there. Is he going to drop down? Yes. I have a better ping. Probably only from a few milliseconds, but well. See, that was a long game. Usually the games are shorter when there's more people. Yeah, my ping's 0 because I'm literally in the same room as the server. 62. Huh? I'm probably going to put the join unstable now, because why not just show off all the things. Actually, right, dissonance, I'm actually going to quickly show the map first before I, dissonance Mars 1. Yes. Okay, can you tell what game this is supposed to sort of, well, sort of quote-unquote inspired by? If you guessed Among Us, you are correct. If you guessed anything else, then you're an idiot, obviously you are. So yeah, this is basically like a sort of Among Us sort of mix. Actually, I said Among Us. It's also Trouble in Terrorist Town and Project Winter, because I sort of have mechanics from all of them. So basically it's you do the tasks of Among Us, but you actually have to like the tasks aren't just random tasks around the ship. They actually everyone has to do every task and then escape out of this rocket. So, you know, betrayers have sabotage, but also, innocents can also do more stuff than just doing tasks and voting and stuff. Ghosts can either... Right, I'm not sure how to do ghosts yet. I might have it so that they're vengeful against the players, but I could also have them so vengeful against, like, you know, the imposter. So I was thinking of having like, you know, one single imposter, and everyone else be innocent, and when you die, you basically go on to the other side, but not fully, if you know what I mean. Like you can't fully sabotage, but you can sort of just get in the way a bit. Just so the ghosts have more to do than just spectate. Oh yeah, and also I made an airlock because you guys get. Soon, when this is actually put into effect, it'll all be like a nether sort of world, so that should all be red. Oh wow, yeah, tyranny at its finest. Yeah, I literally just like. What was that? That's literally, I think that's it's literally a cube. But when you look at it through the telescope, it looks sort of like, yeah, it looks a lot different. Oh, hey. So yeah, what's this? It's literally supposed to be like a wires task. I don't remember what I was gonna do. I'm probably gonna imitate the wires task, but with like a GUI. So you like, I don't know if you drag or if you should like distribute or like sort the. Oh my god, yeah, just sort the friggin' blocks in the chest. It's just like, you know, imagine that. Wait, right? I was right on 30 when I was counting down. Oh, weird. Hello to the other 2 people who've joined, because I know Alex and the 2 of our newest builders joining. I say newest builders. There's literally 3 builders. But yeah, so there's 2 other people. So hello. I'm literally just talking about some things that I do wrong, and other random stuff, and keep getting sidetracked. I think for this, I was like planning on having it like, oh right, yeah, this is actually set to the Nether. Well, actually, this is Basalt Deltas, isn't it? I sort of built this ages ago, so I don't actually remember. I think I built it pre 1.16. Yeah, that's why it's Basalt Deltas by default. Because I remember setting it something like Nether, or I could have set, I don't know. Oh, it might have been to imitate like having sprinklers, but this is basically supposed to be like food and stuff, and I basically have it so it looks like they've been packing everything up. This is a water tank. Actually, I had attention to detail on this. This is the actually, what is this? All right, yeah, this is supposed to be an electrolytic separator. O2 going that way, and this is hydrogen. Ah, yeah, that was going to be one of the, yeah. So basically, I was going to have one of the sabotages be you can either stop the gas from coming out completely, or you can have it vent into the atmosphere. So for hydrogen, if it's venting, then it just won't fill up anything, and if it's not connected, it won't fill up stuff. And once this gets full of hydrogen, it can't produce much oxygen, can't electrolyze properly. Yeah, and this is if this vents, it won't have like suffocation, but I'm thinking about making some sort of like nausea effect come on, as if it's like inefficient. So this needs to go to like an air filtration. I don't know what it'd be. What would it be actually? Sort of like an air conditioning room, sort of somewhere they can control like I'm dying. Somewhere they control like the air supply, and yeah, I made it more like all centered around here. This is the water pump, and look, all the water pipes are outside. I don't know why I did the water pipe by here, because it's not exactly like someone's gonna look at it, but I did it. So yeah, you have the water. The water comes through here, out through here. There's actual water in this as well. I don't know why I did that. I could have just done it on the ends, but I did. This is hydrogen. Then this over here would be the wastewater, which instead of sending it back to the electrolytic separator, because I don't know why I wouldn't send it back. You could sort of have a perfect loop. Actually, I guess. Oh, I guess yes. This, you do have impurities and stuff in the water, and you wouldn't want to burn. No, I can't think why you'd want to convert. I've just poked holes in my own friggin' map. Yeah, why the hell would you want to pump up water, like electrolytically separate it, then burn it, creating more water? That's not even water. Just turn it back into water. It'd probably make more sense to have like the filtered, quote unquote filter. Oh right, yeah. Right, ready? I can quickly put like a sticker over the hole I just made in my story. So you have the water by here isn't pure water. It's gonna be it could be full of impurities and stuff which just generally isn't good for plants. So you'd have it go through the electrolytic separator, so you can get the hydrogen out of it, the oxygen out of it, and also any impurities you can just clean out of it. Then the hydrogen, after it's burnt, because it creates water because it reacts with the oxygen in the atmosphere, which also comes from over there, surprisingly. And then gets pumped back over to the plants, where the nice cleaner water can come and sit in this tank, where you can add minerals to it to make it better for the plants. There we go. Totally worked. See, you can tell how boring this has become because it's just dropped down to 4 viewers. Right, let's just move on. Actually, what do we have anything that's not actually released yet? What the hell is Unstable Ice Lake? Oh, that's an unstable map I was working on. Forgot about. See? Well, it's supposed to be like an ice lake, and I need to do the actual like outside of it because currently, well, this is gonna be what the actual ice lake is gonna look like, but I need to put some terrain around it. Probably gonna have like a spruce forest and have it get denser and denser. Obviously, players will like stop by here. They wouldn't be able to go into the forest. Wait, found it. Is it? Oh, they're both on here. I'm gonna TP to them, but I'm gonna be spectator mode. They're literally both in the stream, so. Oh wait, is this the? Wait, where is this? Oh my god, this looks cool. I haven't seen this. Oh, is this like a? Is this like the spectator area? Oh my god, this is cool. No, this is spawn. Oh my god. You have the sun, you have Saturn. I can't tell. It's a bit... I don't know if it has brightness up or not. Right, so this is... no, this would be Uranus. Mars. Can't be Uranus again. I don't know. This is definitely Earth, so I'm literally just gonna like stop going to adventure, Rhys. So basically, it's like I think it's hyperstick. Hyperstick. It seems like a hyperstick map. Oh, that's some to get pack. See, I do that on my maps. I have like, oh, I say my maps. One of my maps. You can sort of go one way, but getting the other way is a different matter. What was it on? MVTP Hyperstick Islands 1. It's nice, but islands, Rhys. There we go. So in this map, you can jump back and forth here, but this way you can only go into the center. So it sort of forces it tries to force more people into the center. Because you can on this platform there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 directions you can go, and the biggest direction of all. Well, the more parkour, this one, like, you cannot come back. You can go this way and come back, you can go that way and come back. Actually, you can't go that way, there's 3. This is a test, you can put it or no. I don't know if you know this, but I'm not even in the world at the moment. Sorry. Oh, actually, why do you keep following me? Right, there's only one of these, is there? I'm considering removing the copies of the maps so it makes it more random, because we currently have like multiple copies of some maps. But problem with that is now we have in more. Oh, I'm not bypassing world guard in this world. Oh Jesus, that's what you get, Rhys. That's what you get. Quickly flag myself. Wait, I should have that, shouldn't I? Oh. Okay, WorldGuard's permission nodes don't work. Thank you, WorldGuard, for making such a. Go away. I'm literally just gonna quickly op myself. Why not? There we go. Nothing can hurt me now. I need to remove the vines off this tree because some players oh, where's he gone? Some players keep climbing up the tree and camping in a hyperstick map. So I'm gonna quickly remove the vines off it. Actually, I say that, I'm probably gonna remove the vines off the lower one. These are sort of coming down. Wait, RG flags. Let's turn off growth. Let's just turn off natural growth. Where's that? Vine growth, deny. There we go. So I can sort of just cut them off right below it. So it looks like you could just about get there. Whoops. But you can't. Shh. I never camp. Yeah. There we go. Now I'm just going to quickly make that look a bit more natural. There we go. So you can't actually get up there now, which is good. That's exactly what I wanted. Because you can't camp. You shouldn't be able to camp, and... oh shit. Dude. There we go. You can also get, like, trapped under some of these leaves, but honestly, I don't mind that. Lie. Oh, you guys having drama now. Oh, well, sorry, every time I look at this map, it just reminds me of the video I was watching while I was creating these the first one of these platforms. It was DankPod's Zune video, so yeah, that's weird. Oh, why did that happen? Oh, I remember why. It was because I randomly placed some flowers and some of them were double, or some of them were double flowers. I used bone meal to place the flowers, and then I replaced them. The problem is, if you replace tall grass, it does this because it sees it as 2 blocks, obviously. So I should have just gone around and replaced all the tall grass with here. But yeah, I have lots of flowers now. Why did I make this so flowery? Look how flowery it is. There's like 5 roses in a little bunch below. Now, I'm pretty sure you can't actually break things in this world. Which, I think I did that. No, I didn't do that purposely. But I'm probably not going to change it, because I realised that it's good. Because it stops, if we ever have a rogue builder, which I'm not suggesting that we will, but every single, well, moderator, admin stuff have. What's he found? Huh? Wait, no. Did you find a way up here? Or did you not? Because I just patched it up. Anyway. Yeah, basically if we ever have like a rogue staff member, it stops them from building in these worlds, and they can only build in the build world, which is literally for testing stuff and stuff. So it's good because it stops you from messing with deployed things. I just realised there's a vine there. Vine died ages ago. We don't want it to stay around. Right. I was gonna have a camera, but my camera is currently somewhere else. You placed the block back, didn't you? Maybe. Oh, I meant to do. Oh, doesn't matter. No $sign. Yeah, literally. I placed it there so to stop that from happening. I did it myself, and I was like, that shouldn't happen. Yeah, we used to have people climb up here and just camp next to the spawn. In this map, you can sort of have it so that with hype. The way hype stick and unstable works is you're able to have the spawn area and waiting, or the spawn area, the lobby, and the spectating area. You can have them as the same place because it's just literally teleports you there. Like this isn't a special area. It's just, you know, caved off from everywhere. So yeah, I don't know why I'm sharing you these secrets. Shouldn't be. Bad Rhys. Let's go to factions. Alright. I'm an idiot. I'm just gonna... There we go. Ah yes, the factions world. So rainy, I'm gonna turn the... Actually, you can't hear that. Should I put that back on? There we go. You can hear everything I hear now. I'll say that. It's quite quiet for you, probably. 100%. Camper place is gone. Yeah, so... right, what I've been doing is... This snow has slowly been clearing away. It's March now, so I should just get rid of it. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to quickly get rid of it. Incoming lag. not gonna replace the ice, no point. There we go. Oh! Ah, that's better. All the snow's gone now. So yeah, when there's an event going on, I might do something in this area. Like, when we had, the 5th of November in UK is Fireworks Day, also known as Guy Fawkes Day. Where's the cellar? So yeah, when we had Guy Fawkes Day, I basically made a nice little I say nice little. I made a random fireworks show with some arm stands and stuff. So that's actually on YouTube. I'm not gonna put a link to it now, but if you literally look on my channel, it's literally called Fireworks, and it's the same colors as the Abyssal Void logo. So yeah, so I made a fireworks display. I had like a massive array of command blocks under here, which yeah. It's not here anymore because, well, yeah, I removed it. But I think it might actually, if I walk to, no, it won't be in my plot still because I use my plots to test things. I usually clear it. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is literally a mechanism for moving that, a block swap. That's it. You might be thinking, why is that doing that? It's because I hate budding. Budding is so annoying. Like, right, you used to be able to use bud, also known as block update detector, like logic, quote unquote logic. So it's a bug. Basically, it's a bug that does stupid stuff such as there's a redstone block. There. It does stuff such as this. What's powering the piston? Nothing. Nothing at all. Knight's made the death lobby for his map. Okay. I'll look later. Oh, that should. Whoops. Whoops, caps lock. But yeah, budding is so annoying because you can have a piston, like, literally down there. A lever to activate that. And, you know, a lever over here that's on might just leave it active, which is just so annoying. So you have to build around that. Like, it used to be useful for things like detecting updates, but we have a detector for that now. And I literally can't think of anyone. I guess, what was it? I did think of an example the other day of one thing that might be useful. Ah, right. If you're making an automatic dropper, so one that like uses comparator, sorry, daylight detector, comparator, repeater. I'm gonna turn my thing off so it's a bit more obvious that it's redstone. Wait for it to load. There we go. Okay. So yeah, it's a bit more obvious as redstone now. So literally it's one of these things which allows you to allows you to continuously repeat a what's it called, dropper. I'm gonna make a vending machine. Okay. Yeah, I forgot how to create one. Ah. Is this right? That's a furnace. Why did I have a furnace? Yeah, like that. Why not working? Have I done this wrong? Did I really do this wrong? Oh, Jesus Christ. There you go, sort of like this. Obviously that's bigger than it needed to be, but oh well. Yeah, one of these, you know, automatic, what's it called? Automatic dropper. This uses bud quote-unquote logic for this part. But as I just showed you, that works. This doesn't work, this entire thing, but it might be because, yeah, let's see. 13.4. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Alright, let's quickly do lag chunks. Is that not right, or is it just chunk? There we go. Is someone building in this world? I'm just gonna literally spectate them. Did I just teleport to the world I'm in? I did, didn't I? What's he doing? Oh, right, you guys right, okay, this is why it went down so much. It's going back up. I see now. Yeah. Oh, this is the build world. Yeah, they have lots of maps. I'm not going to spoil them, actually. You can play that one soon, hopefully. That's unstable. Yeah, a lot of their maps are enclosed. Not something I've ever done, actually. I guess my maps are self-enclosed. But yeah, lots of their maps are like open maps that with like enclosures. Let's go to Ice Rink. Because I forget where it is. Yeah, this map, it encloses itself. That's why there's no enclosure around it, because it's already enclosed. Same with Rainbow, I think. Yeah. Oh, this needs resetting. It resets itself when it actually comes to a game. Oh, look at that. But yeah, this, you know, all my maps sort of enclose just themselves, and maybe the sky changes, but where is this supposed to be? Is this an end? Yes, end Barrens. There's a sun. Shouldn't I do time set 1800? Oh, it's then too dark. Actually, no, that's right. I think it's just things being weird. Oh, it's because it's a normal world. The map is small, but I will make better soon, as it was a test. You can put it if you want. I don't know which one... I don't actually know which one you're on about. Because I'm sort of like just flying around the server at random maps. I'm currently talking about my rainbow map for Unstable. I might change this bit because it looks a bit, you know, it just suddenly stops. Oh. But yeah, all these maps are enclosed. What else? What other maps do we have for Unstable? We have Ice Mountain. No? What's it called? Snow Mountain? Mountains. Just called Mountains, isn't it? Yes. There we go. Oh. Ah, yes, this is... is this the right... Hang on a minute. Ah, is this the right map? How much of the map did he copy over? Wait. Is that an arrow? No, that looks like the hub. Oh, I think I know. Wait, did he just copy the world and then... I don't know how I copied this over. So, I have no idea what the actual thing is. I'm just going to show you in the build world. Don't know where it is in there. But yeah, they've taken a different approach to maps than I would have done. It was interesting. Adds variety. I know it's all the way over here, because I keep... it's going to lag the server a bit, actually. You should start seeing the floor. I think I've gone too far. Have I? Have I lost it? Do I know where it is? Probably not. I'm sure it was this direction. Oh, the entire floor has just disappeared now. Oh, this ain't going great, is it? At all. Right. Where's the spawn? This is the spawn area. This direction, yeah? You should see the magnets. And the spawn platform prototype. And the arena for Unstable. The actual, like, arena part, not the... Not TP, one of them. Nope. It's quite obvious, because I sort of broke the entire ground around it, and I had to try and fix it. You know, I could... There we go. That's a way to do it, isn't it? We're in Mountains 1. Okay. Subject name here. Yeah, those are all just random references. Do 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 do. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, this is how this one's enclosed. The maps enclose themselves. It's not exactly like a box or anything, but yeah, it's different. What was I doing? Talking about getting things done. Do you know how much that tangent just took? Wow. Yeah. Was there a door I just saw? No. I was going to do a secret cave in the painting, so I am going to do that at some point. I like preferring secret areas. Where's the painting gone? There used to be a painting by here. I'm probably just going to do like a secret cave, but the problem is, I don't know if you can see it or not. You might be able to. Which is it? Where is it? Hyperstick. Oh, right. MVTP. Hyperstick. Classic. Yes. Okay, so this is the spawn area, and if you go around the spawn area, you get to my secret area. I've lost myself. There we go. Found our little secret, did you? Well, you lost the game anyway. Yeah, you can only get here if you don't win the game, so. But yeah, it's literally just like this little secret area. So I'm probably going to do that in that map, because there's a painting there. Well, there was a painting there. Ah, yes, I'm in a game of hypers. Oh, well, this is what we call bullying corner, because you just get bullied. Actually. Yeah, so, stuff I need to do. I got completely distracted, didn't I? Well done, Rhys. Try to make a live stream about talking about getting things done. So yeah, KPP, I'm probably going to do some sort of devlog to it. So yeah, actually, gonna go a minute. Actually, what I'm going to quickly do, let's set this in stone, shall we? Let's actually create the project now. This is going to be the first ever devlog. I don't actually know what's going to show up in code, so I'm going to move out of the way just in case it's something that shouldn't be there. Such as a Discord bot token, which yes, I do in fact have just in plain text. Security 101. Right, okay, so Visual Studio Code. This is where I use. Oh, I just pulled out my earphones. This is where I used to code. Let's open the folder. Actually, no, I want to create Java project. Create Java project. Create Java. Oh, for fuck's sake. What's wrong? My computer's running slow. What's ticking? What are you installing? Oh, you're updating Pylance. Right. Oh, I love how quickly this reloads. Ready? Reload? It's reloaded. Like that. Perfect. Great. Activating extensions. Okay. You've stopped activating extension? I just want a new Maven project. What the hell? Ah, there we go. Maven. Just quick start. Version 1.4. And right, we want to go into dev. Plugin. This is where I keep all my plugins I need to make. Oh, it's already. Delete. What's wrong? Cannot find path. Oh, I'm an idiot. I need to go out of. It's just in this folder. There we go. Right, okay, so. Look, you're gonna watch me set up a Java project, why not? Generating project in interactive mode. Default, right, group ID is co.uk.pistolvoid. What am I actually gonna call it? Someone give me a I'm thinking about calling it literally just the arena. Or just arena. So for now I might just have that as a dev. I can always change it in the future, so why not? Arena. Artifact ID is arena. Version will literally just be 0.0.0. Package. Yeah. Yes, confirm. Okay, that's built. So, now, if we go over here, we should be able to just open that folder. What's it called? Arena. There it is. Open folder. And we should have, yay, POM. POM, POM, POM. So, I'm going to quickly change this, because this needs to be 1.8. 1.8. URL can just be Void, because that's the website for Abyssal Void. Open. That can go away. Yep, that's right. Yep. So this is a dependency which we're just gonna remove, and we're gonna I'm just gonna change it. So org.spigot.mc. I'm adding Spigot, by the way, if you didn't notice. Spigot API, and we're gonna use version 16, I think. 1.16.5. I need to copy it over. I'm just gonna copy it from. I have an entire folder of jars. Let's see. Oh, it's now it's in build tools. There we go. Spigot 1.16.5. You'll see it pop up over there. Arena there. It's in the wrong place. It needs to go into source, main, Java. No, resources. There we go. So it should pop up here. How can can I not expand? Delete that and delete app.java. Don't use that. There we go. Spigot jar. Scope is system, and system path I need to do. No, I'm gonna quickly open up the POM of another thing because I don't remember how to do this, which is great. Oh, it's literally there. I did provided. I told them provided. Jesus. Oh wait, I can probably just. Yeah, actually, no, I do want provided because, I mean, they don't need this jar at all. Delete permanently. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here. See, plagiarism does get you places, kids. Oh wow. I build always. I click always all the time. There we go. So that's literally this ready to become a plugin. Delete test. There we go. So I'm gonna create a new file. This is just gonna be the main file, and that's it. Arena.java. So this is the plugin made. There we go. Java plugin. And now I should be able to import that. Quick fix. Import. There we go. And quickly create two classes. Well, I say no, two methods of on enable. There we go. That's the project done, and that's that. There we go. First bit of progress. We can quickly create a repository for it. Close repository, and new one. How do I create a repository? Be helpful if I knew this. Mate, that's just wrong repository. Commit. Just commit to v3, I guess. Did I not commit this? Commit. There we go. I just wanted that to go away. Right, we want to create a repository, don't we? So I'm going to quickly initialize one now, once that's done. There we go. How do I do that again? What's sync to sync settings? I don't know what to do. at all. Source control. How do I? There was a way. There was definitely a way to initialize a repository here. Well, okay. I guess I'm not making a repository here then. I'll just do it with GitHub. GitHub desktop. Which is useful. And it's not loading. Oh, there we go. So repository, new repository. How do I? New repository. I'm gonna call it Arena. Path is Arena. Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to quickly change the name because GitHub is a weird habit. Right, GitHub is a weird thing. You can't just add files to and create a repository from those files. You have to actually. What now? Oh, don't update. Just piss off. That's not where I wanted. Right, choose. And we want to go this plugin Arena. There we go. So now I have no idea whatsoever. License, I don't know. But it has. You can't just like create a repository of files there. You have to make it blank. Then I'm going to open the repository. Show in Explorer. There you go. Why? Delete Arena. Delete Arena. And now I should be able to open this in Visual Code. Yay! Look at that! It's, I say yay, I haven't actually looked. Source. Oh, right, I have to. I didn't realize I had. Initialize repository. Yay, and commit. I don't know. Init commit. I'm literally probably gonna go now because publish to GitHub. Private. True again. Yay, I have on GitHub. Okay, close. Yeah, so thank you for watching, because I wasn't planning on having this more than an hour or so, yeah. And there's not exactly much I wanted to talk about now. Getting things done. New videos some point. I don't know where it's going to be. Could just be some random shit. Bye. That's the wrong button, Rhys. I need to click this button. It would have brought up I didn't even change it for this live stream. It's still a Clone Hero thing. Which means after a few seconds it should just do like an old games demo. Bye!
Going to get there and hope we will meet there. Only